Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts. And today I am at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres Beach Resort. And this category is actually the preferred club junior suite swim out. I always love a swim out category and I think you will too. So follow along as we show you the room. So as soon as you walk in to the right here, there's this great feature that Taylor and I both really love. And that's a drop off for room service. So either breakfast, maybe it's your coffee in the morning, but we all know when we order room service, you have to get up and go open the door, all of those things. That's eliminated completely. They just do that drop off. And so you do it on your own time, which is what vacation is all about. You also can, when you put things back in there, you can let them know on the iPad and they'll come pick it up and take care of all of it without having any interaction. So right here to my right, you have a Nespresso maker. This comes complimentary, and of course they'll replace the Nespresso as often as you like. You've got some little snacks, and then one of the features of the Preferred Club is the upgraded mini bar. So right here, you can see that they've got a fully stocked and upgraded mini bar, and then you can have them stock that as, however you like throughout your stay. Just to the right here, you've got a nice little place for your luggage, and then over to the left is the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, you've got the toilet room to the left, you've got your shower here. In addition to having a shower wand, you have a great rainforest shower head. I love just standing under it and soaking. Over here, you've got a nice little seat so you can soak, or you can step there if you're shaving your legs. As you continue on in, you've got this great double vanity magnifying backlit mirror here. You've got two US plugs, and then you have this great amenity kit. This is another one of those Preferred Club upgrades. These are full-size amenities upgraded, and they have everything in there from suntan lotion to mosquito repellent, hand sanitizer, body gel, all of those kind of things in case you forgot anything, shaving gear, and then of course you can call up front if you need anything else. Over to my right, you've got this huge soaking tub. And then I also wanted to point out you've got this great little incense holder. It's a signature of Secrets. And in fact, as soon as we got in here and I lit it, it was that same smell. Kind of brought back a memory for me. My wife and I were at Secrets Capri for our honeymoon, and it's actually that same exact scent. But it's a perfect place to have that incense going. And you've got a nice soaking tub, sit and relax. And then this is louvers right here. So this actually opens up so you can get that bright light coming in as well. So all of your storage is going to be right here. You open it up, you've got quite a bit of hanging storage. You've got your robes that are complimentary as well. You've got an iron, and there's also a steamer if you want to take advantage of that. You've got storage underneath. You're safe, big enough for a small laptop or a tablet, but not a full-size laptop. And then you've got your tray here for coffee and glassware and cutlery, and that corresponds with your Nespresso maker just around the corner. Now you've got your full king-size bed. You've got this great canopy up above. I love that they have the rugs on either side, so when you step out of bed, you step right onto those instead of onto the floor. I did want to point out that your do not disturb and your made button is here. This is, it's the only place it is. They don't have one by the door, but this is great in the middle of the night. You wake up, remember, okay, I don't want do not disturb, or put it on before you go to bed. I really like that they have it there. Your light controls. They also have a alarm clock that can function as a charger, but there aren't any USB chargers or plugs on this side of the bed. I always bring a battery backup. That way I have it, I can charge it during the day, and then I can utilize that to charge at night. You also, in addition to those robes, you're going to have the complimentary slippers, and they'll put those out as they do nightly turn-down service every single evening. Now, as we continue along, you have a writing desk here. You've got your cordless phone, little writing utensils and paper underneath in the drawer, your light, there's some plugs back there, of course your TV, but I wanted to point out this tablet. So every single room category is going to have this tablet, and what's great about it is it's basically replaced the old program, but you can also use it to interact. So you can check all the menus. Maybe you want to see what the dining menu is for tonight at the Italian restaurant. That's something you can access here. You can also order room service from here, and there's even a designator where you can let them know that your room service is done and you've put the tray back and it's ready for them to take away. But this is just a nice little perk to have, and then there's also two chargers on there, USB chargers as well, so that you have those. Now on the other side of the bed right here, I did want to point out you have these great reading lights, so you can turn those on without having to disturb your partner. You've got your remote control, and then they also have a USB charger and the climate control. I like having that right by the bed, once again, just like that do not disturb, because you can access that and you usually maybe adjust it before you go to bed in the evening. Now, as you continue along, you've got this great sofa, perfect reading area, or even to lay down on. You've got the ottoman to put your feet up. It's also a great place for a room service tray. Maybe you want to have coffee in the morning. And then over here, you've got your table that can function as a dining table as well. And with that Preferred Club, you're going to have other upgraded access to menus as well. All right, so now as we're headed outside, I did want to point out that in addition to the doors that open up and give you that indoor-outdoor feel, you also have a sliding screen here as well. So if you want to have that nice breeze coming in and have the screen to protect you, you've got that there. Now right here you have your table. Of course, you can sit here. I can actually see the ocean out in front of me. This is a perfect place for morning coffee or a cocktail or room service. But what this room is all about is the swim up. So right here, you've got stairs that lead right down into your pool. These are shared pools here in this category that kind of go all the way along the front on both sides of the oceanfront part of the property. But it's just a great feature to have that privacy. So in addition to having the pool very close by, because these are all on those ground floor levels, you also have that private place maybe in the evening you just want to hop in and cool off, or first thing in the morning, but you don't want to get all ready and go out to the pool. This is the perfect spot for that. So if you're ready to book this beautiful preferred club category or any suite at any Secrets or AM resort, reach out to Harr Travel. We know these products inside and out. We can help you choose the perfect one, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.